Hello folks, and welcome to the channel, or welcome back. Now I know typically you get from me videos about race cars or restoring old cars or building on the house, but I do some other things as well, and that is farming. So now that the summer has set in, it's time to harvest the hay. This year we had a lot of rain, and we have cut the grass about 4 or 5 days ago, and now it's time to pick it up and to bale it. Now for your information, this is of course a slowed down video because in reality this is going a lot faster. But here the pickup is collecting all the hay and pressing it together into big bales, and these bales will then drop out in the back. Slowly they slide backwards, and when they are to the right size, there are ropes connected around it, and then it falls out. And then somebody else is picking up the bales and puts them all together in the truck so we can take them away for storage for the coming winter to feed the livestock with it. Now for clarity, I have no livestock, so I've given this stuff to a farmer friend of mine who you see here climbing into his Massey Ferguson. Me myself, I'm a country boy. I'm actually a farmer's boy, so I still enjoy this work, and I'm working with these guys whenever I can. And here you can see again on how the hay has been pulled into the press and then pushed out in the back. It is important that the pressure of the hay bale is correct. If it's too loose, we're going to get mold over time, especially if you're going to store it for a long time, because there will be too much air inside. So it is that critical that these adjustments are done the right way. Now this machine, the pickup, has been serviced and adjusted in a mechanic shop, but obviously not adjusted correctly, because you can't really adjust it in a shop. You can preset it all, but at the end, once you're in the field, that's where you do the fine adjustment. And unfortunately here, this had to be done. You might have noticed some of the bales, we have one of the strings or the ropes that jumped off because it didn't have the right tension or too much tension. But at the end, we got it all sorted out, and we just could continue. Now, when I was a kid, these bales were about 25 to 40 kilograms. They were very small. Now they are huge, and sometimes you find them even as round bales. But these bales that you see right here, they are about 100 kilograms and more, so it's no longer possible to lift them by hand. And that's why we're using articulated machinery to lift them. So I hope that you enjoyed this video as an in-between video, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Bye bye, and have a great day.